Welcome. If you want to get Legends of Runeterra on your HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to download this application on the second smartphone with the Play Store, and after that you have to get also the phone clone application that we are going to use to transfer Runeterra. If you have the HUAWEI smartphone like me, you will get this application as default, but if you don't, you have to just simply go for the Play Store and get it from there. So if you got both apps, Legends of Runeterra and the phone clone, you have to select, this is the old phone on the smartphone with the Play Store, and on your P40 Lite 5G you have to go for it. This is the new device. Right now select the old phone type, so in my case it's HUAWEI, and we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually, so you have to decide how you want to connect. I'm going to scan the code, it's really fast and simple method. Right now smartphones are connecting, so we have to wait. Unselect all things, scroll down, and at the bottom you will find the apps and the data. So let's enter here, and now just scroll down until you find a Legends of the Runeterra. So here it is. Click OK, tap transfer, click OK one more time. Right now go with your log method, and right now it is transferring the data, so it's finished. And right now we can try to open the game and check if it is working properly. So remember, after the transfer we have to connect back to the Wi-Fi. Okay, there's the notification that it's not going to run without the Google services, but it's not true, because here we are able to connect with the Google Play Store and also with the Riot account. So right now I'm going to show you that when I'm going to log into my Riot account, it is going to work. So let me just log in. And as you can see right now, it is logging to our Riot account, and in a few moments we'll be able to download the update. And as you can see right now, it is on the update to the newest version of the game, and as you can see it's working. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.